Flags. I think it's about like 3:30, so they're gonna be open for I think about another 2.5 hours. So we're just gonna go on a couple rides, and yeah. Oh, I'm with Dad. Morning, you guys. Happy Tuesday. It's a good Tuesday. Gonna go to the Container Store and finally return this large cabinet shelf. There's a smaller version, but I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna get sorry, this is pretty. How nice is this? That's cute. They have nice little accessories. I'm feeling this wall clock. It's nice. I'm here to exchange this item for a kickflip stand for my laptop. It's this one. It's a kickflip. I'm just returning the little stand. Just gonna wait until there's a sale at the Container Store or I have a coupon. So we're gonna have lunch at Cheesecake Factory. This is kind of like our Valentine's Day celebration. The best part about Cheesecake Factory is their bread. They have the best bread here. So I ended up getting the kale quinoa salad, which looks delicious. And Hub's got a lunch pizza, but it also comes with a salad. Here's his side salad with more of the yummy, delicious bread. You know we had to get one of these. It's the original cheesecake. Happy Valentine's Day. I did not even vlog the whole day today. What was I doing? Oh, well, today it was a busy day today. I had like a lot of errands to run. Filmed today's video, and now here we are, we're at Target. But yesterday the Hubs and I already celebrated Valentine's Day, so that's kind of like why we weren't really doing anything today. So here with Darren, he's somewhere already here getting his hair gel. Profusion has their own little area here at Target. That is so cool. What'd you get? Flamin' hot Cheetos, chips, and his hair gel. I completely forgot that Toyota USA was going to pick up the 2018 CH-R XLE today, so I'm going to share with you a really quick review and final thoughts. This is in the color Silver Knockout. The really cool thing about this car is that it has the projection feature where it projects the name of the car, Toyota CH-R, onto the ground, which I absolutely love that. You can still see it during the daytime, and it has this feature on both sides of the side view mirrors. It's also a keyless entry car. Now the back seats 3 people, so it's a 5-seater car. It seats 5 people comfortably. It's a push to start engine. You have one USB plug as well as an auxiliary plug. It's also an automatic, and you have here the parking brake. You're able to also connect your phone via Bluetooth. You have the AM/FM radio, as well as dual heater and air conditioner controllers, as well as a seat warmer for both the driver and the passenger. Trunk space is actually really spacious, and it also has this cover so it conceals anything that you have in the trunk area. It's a very economical, gas-saving car, and it's perfect for, you know, a family of 3, a family of 5. So thank you so much to Toyota USA for giving us the opportunity to test it out for the week. Good morning, you guys. It is Saturday. Happy Saturday. I feel like we haven't been very chatty this week. I was just here at home and I was just catching up with stuff. But today we have a couple of errands. Ooh, we have a couple of errands to run, and I'm gonna go make breakfast for the fam. One of the best ways to start the day is with hot lemon water. Darren went to his CFCY, it's like a meeting. It's Couples for Christ Youth meeting, and then the Hubs and I are here in Malibu. Just kind of get out of the house and get some fresh air. So we're gonna grab like a little bite to eat for dinner later. So we're at the Malibu Pier, and this is gonna be my spot. I think I'm gonna try to film something in this area. I think I got the shot that I needed, even though people were staring and looking, but it's okay, I got the shot I needed. And I think we're gonna go have a quick early dinner. We're gonna go get some dinner. We're going to Creation Kitchen. It's kind of like an Asian fusion place. It's so good. Last time we were here was, I think, probably like a month or two ago. And yeah, been kind of craving for their stuff, so let's go eat. We got the baked salmon sushi burrito. It's cucumber, has a spicy mayo, onions, garlic, and then we have some ginger. And the hub's got baked eel bowl with spicy mayo. Yummy! And we have a coffee macaroon ice cream.